Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you a remote starter on 2018 Audi A4 Allroad. In this vehicle we have used a remote starter that will allow you to use the OEM remote, so you don't have to carry another remote. So on the original remote we have the lock button here, and all we have to do is press 3 times. The vehicle will receive the command, and in a few seconds the car will start. The vehicle will be running for a preset time that we have set for the customer. The key takeover, which means driving away without the car shuts off, is very simple. Unlock the doors, have a seat in the car, close the door, press the brake and drive. Remote starter for Audi, BMW and other vehicles is available at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.